A very good morning, class. So today we'll do this topic of your English writing, that is writing a fact file in bracket person. So what is the meaning of fact file? First, let us do the meaning of fact. That what is the meaning of fact? So something that you know has happened or is true is known as fact. Now what altogether is fact file? Fact file is basically a collection of information about a particular subject or product. But here, as we're talking about person, so it is basically the information or the collection of information about a particular person. So first, let us do the meaning that what is a fact file on a person or of a person. So a fact file is a collection, that is when you collect the most important information. What is important information? Important means the information that is significant, the information that is vital on a particular subject or thing. For example, if you were making a fact file on a person, so if you are making a fact file that too on a person, you could include their name. So what are the things that you are gonna include in the fact file of a person? First, obviously, the name of that particular person, DOB, that is date of birth, their parents' name, and etc. So these are the information that to the factual information, the true information. So these are the information that to the factual information, the true information, like the name of the person, the date of birth, the parent's name. So these are the true and vital information that you are going to include in the fact file of a person, or when you're going to write the fact file of a person. Next is, how long is a fact file? Like, what is the length or how long should be a fact file? So fact sheets, or we can say fact file, are usually 1 page long. So the fact file should be just 1 page. Therefore, they help to save a lot of time. And why it is on just a page? Because it saves a lot of time for the reader. Why? Because it provides them all the key information. Key information here means all the significant information, that too on a single page. So therefore, a fact file should be 1 page long, and in that you have to provide the key information, means the significant information of that person on whom you're writing that fact file. Okay, so now we'll do an example, okay, from which it will be clear that how you have to write the fact file of a person. So these are the steps for writing fact file about a person. So what you have to do, obviously first you'll write the true name. Okay, so first you have to write the name of that person about whom you're writing the fact file, or you're creating the fact file. Next is date of birth, country, significant events on the life of that person or revolving around that person, and at last the interesting facts. So these are the points you're going to include whenever you have to write a fact file about a person. So we'll do an example related to this, and after that I'll give you one question which you all have to attempt in your notebook. Why? Because this topic is not there in your BBC compactor. Okay, so now we'll do this question, that is write a fact file on Sania Mirza, tennis player. So first, okay, so these points will be given to you all. You just need to write the information. So name, Sania Mirza, tennis player, born 15th November 1986, Mumbai. Then we have written here college, that is St. Mary College, Hyderabad. Spouse, Shoaib Malik. Then you have to write the significant event that is related, or that is on the life of Sania Mirza. So here you can include the awards that she has achieved. Okay, so like first is Padam Bhushan 2016, then Padam Shri 2006. More awards are also there, like Arjun Award for lawn tennis in 2004, then Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Award 2015. So these are the awards and are very significant, obviously, as these are very much significant in her life. So you can include this. Next is interesting facts about Sania Mirza. Here you can include that she is right hands, that is two-handed backhand. Then she has a net worth of 8 million. After that, you can write here about her height, that is 5 foot 8 inches. Then hobbies, in which you can include swimming and music. So all the information that you're writing about Sania Mirza should be factual, that is true, and that you're going to include in this, question. Okay, so now I'll give you a question which you all have to solve, right? So now we'll do this question that is for your homework, and the question is, write a fact file on India's record-breaking batsman Sachin Tendulkar. So here are the points which you all have to fill: name, date of birth, parents' name, career, significant events, and interesting facts. So just look into the life of Sachin Tendulkar and write the fact file, that is the factual information about Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, so this is your homework. Kindly do this homework and then send it to me. Okay.